Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials. Make sure the subtitle track is enabled and visible in the timeline, because invisible layers are the most common culprit. Next, check that the subtitle timing matches the video clip. If the clip was trimmed, subtitles can fall outside the visible range. Once done, close and reopen Capcut to refresh caches. This often restores display elements. If you use external SRT, import it again, so Capcut reparses the timestamps and ensures compatibility with the project frame rate. Now adjust the deeper settings. Set the project frame rate and resolution to match your source files, because mismatched frame rates can offset subtitle placement and visibility. If you imported an SRT file, convert its encoding to UTF-8. Wrong encoding can make text invisible or garbled. Then test by creating a short subtitle with Capcut's built-in tool. This isolates whether the problem is the file or the app. Make sure text size and color contrast aren't effectively hiding the subtitles against the video background. To finish, install any available Capcut updates, because developers often patch subtitle rendering bugs. If that fails, reinstall to reset broken components. Clear the app cache or open the project on another device to determine whether the issue is device-specific. If subtitles still won't show, recreate them directly inside Capcut. This eliminates file format problems. One key troubleshooting tip: if subtitles appear but are blank, check font selection and color opacity. Switching to a standard font and full opacity usually surfaces the missing text.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.